Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO X80 Lite and let me share with you how to reset camera preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app, and currently we are in the standard photo mode. I hope that you can see those grid lines. I've applied them before I've started recording because I'd like to show you a visual evidence that the reset option will work. So after resetting, they should disappear. So all we have to do in order to do that is to enter the settings, which are in the right upper corner, and now tap on more settings. So let's tap on it. And now scroll down to the very bottom to find reset. Let's tap on it and confirm it with tapping on OK. As you can see, we will immediately come back to the camera. And here we've got the very first evidence that the reset option worked because we've got the privacy statement. This is the thing that will appear if you're opening the camera for the very first time. So just mark this option and tap on agree. The second evidence, because we've got the access to the location, of course the phone calls, and finally we've got our camera without any grid lines. So it means that we just successfully reset camera preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.